Hey, what's up guys? Dan here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the simplest ways to monetize social traffic with HilltopAds, direct links. This video is for you if you have traffic, but not necessarily a classic website. Maybe you run a Telegram channel, an X account, a Facebook group, an Instagram page, a TikTok profile, a YouTube channel, a community, or any other platform where people actually engage with your content. Because social media is not just likes and comments anymore. If you have attention, clicks, and trust, that traffic can become a revenue source. You just need the right monetization setup. That's where direct links come in. Today I'll show you what direct links are, how to create them inside HilltopAds, where to place them, and how to use them in a smart way without ruining the user experience. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to monetize your social traffic with us, the registration link is in the description. All right, let's get into it. Let's start simple. A direct link is a monetization link that sends your traffic to advertising offers. In HilltopAds, direct link uses a pop-based ad format, and when users click the link, they are redirected to an advertiser's page where a conversion can happen. The main advantage is that you do not need a classic website to start. You can use direct links in social posts, bios, video descriptions, pinned messages, bots, landing pages, communities, or anywhere your audience can naturally click. So the idea is simple. You already have attention, and direct link helps turn that attention into monetized clicks. Direct links are useful for creators, bloggers, channels owners, community admins, social media marketers, and publishers who have traffic but do not always have traditional website. You can use them in Telegram posts, X posts, YouTube or TikTok descriptions, bios, comments, Facebook groups, Instagram pages, niche forums, entertainment pages, fan pages, and other social sources where the audience is real and engaged. The key word here is quality. If your audience is fake, random, or not interested, monetization will be weak. But if your audience is real and your content matches the offer type, direct link can become a strong extra revenue channel. Now, let's quickly walk through how this works inside the HilltopAds platform. First, register as a publisher and log into your personal account. Then go to Manage Site and Zones section, open the Direct Links tab, and click Add Direct Link. Then name your direct link based on the traffic source. This will make it much easier to understand where the traffic is coming from later. For example, you can name it Telegram channel or X profile, TikTok bio, or YouTube description. Next, choose the category. If your traffic source has no age restrictions, choose mainstream. If your traffic source is 18 plus or non-mainstream, choose the relevant category for that type of traffic. That will be non-mainstream. Once the direct link is created, copy it and start using it in your traffic flow. So the basic setup is clear. Register as a publisher, go to Manage Site and Zones, create your direct link, name it properly, choose the right category, copy the link, and place it where your audience can click. Direct link is simple, but content traffic still needs context. Don't just drop a link into a random post and hope it works. Think about the flow. The user sees your content, understands why they should click, and lands on something that matches their interest. It's very important. If the post, placement, or offer do not connect, users will leave or lose trust. This is why the link should feel natural. You can place it in your bio, post captions, video descriptions, pinned messages, comments, stories, groups, Telegram bots, QR codes, or connected to a clear button on a landing page. A good CTA can be watch now, continue, see more, get access, download, or join here, depending on your content and audience. The goal is not just to get clicks. The goal is to create clicks that make sense. And once your direct link is live, track how different sources perform. If you have traffic from Telegram, X, TikTok, and YouTube, create separate links for separate flows so you clearly see what works better. Then optimize based on the data. If you have strong traffic, your manager can help you improve the setup and connect your direct link to a better offer type. One of the best ways to use direct links with social traffic is through a pre-landing page. A pre-landing page is a short page between your social post and the final advertiser's page. It warms up the user, it explains the context and makes the transition smoother. This is especially useful because many social platforms do not like direct advertising links, and users often need a bit of context before they click further. For example, if you have a Telegram channel about sports and you want to monetize it with betting-related offers, don't just drop a random link. Create a short pre-landing page about upcoming matches, betting tips, odds or predictions, and add a CTA button that leads through your direct links. That creates a much better flow. Social post, useful pre-lander, then monetized offer. The rule is simple. Don't break the story between the post and the offer. This is very, very important. Another important point is choosing the right offer type. Your audience already has expectations, and if you understand them, you can monetize way better. Sports traffic may fit betting offers. Gaming traffic may fit apps, entertainment, or iGaming. Tech traffic may fit utilities, VPNs, or software. Lifestyle audiences may respond better to dating, sweepstakes, or content-based offers. Inside HilltopAds, you can also work with your personal manager to connect the right type of offers to your direct link. Because random traffic plus random offers usually gives random results. That's gambling. But when the audience, content, and offer type match each other, monetization becomes much stronger. Now, let's be honest about what you should avoid. Do not spam your audience with links. Do not use misleading promises, and do not place direct links where the platform rules clearly do not allow it. Also, do not send low quality, fake, or incentivized traffic if it does not match the rules. Monetization works best when traffic is real and users are actually interested. And remember, one link will not work perfectly forever. Social traffic changes, audiences change, and performance changes too. Direct link is easy to start with, but the best results still come from testing, data, and a smart setup. So why monetize social traffic with HilltopAds? Because we make it simple to start, even without a traditional website. You create a direct link, choose the right category, place it where your audience naturally clicks, and start testing. We support different types of social traffic and online communities, including Facebook, Telegram, X, TikTok, Telegram, YouTube, and more. You also get weekly payouts, detailed statistics, flexible payout methods, and support from a dedicated personal manager. And that matters. That matters because social traffic has real value when the audience is engaged and the monetization flow makes real sense. So, if you have a channel, a page, a profile, a community, or any traffic source where people interact with your content, this is a very good time to start monetizing it with HilltopAds. Register in your HilltopAds personal account using the link in the description, create your first direct link, test your setup, and see how much your social traffic can earn. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and tell us in the comments what kind of social traffic you want to monetize. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you online.